Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a walk through our new 2021 236 Grady-White Fisherman. As you can see, we brought this boat in Seaport Blue. We have matched the underside of the hardtop to the hull. It does have the white bottom, has not been bottom painted yet. Boat does have the 300 Yamaha on the back, trim tabs. There's the boarding ladder. We'll walk up inside, take a look through, take a look at some of the options, give you a good overview of the boat. As we go to get in the 23, you can see the storage boxes in the transom, one on either side. We put beach anchors in there. This boat was optioned with the ski pole. There's your fish box, your live well, walk through transom door. There's your freshwater shower when you come out of the water. Boat does have pop-up cleats. There's your aft seating. Bucket storage under the helm, tackle storage, 4 rod holders, 4 rod rocket launcher, and aft lighting. There's the underside of the hard top I spoke of earlier. Our helm. This boat does have push button start. There's your trim tabs, fusion stereo, tilt wheel, Yamaha gauge, overhead box. As we go forward on this boat, it does have the head with the dockside pump out, forward seating with the backrests that come around, storage underneath, walk through, which pops up in the front. There's your recessed cleats, recessed running light, gives it a nice clean look. A little cooler under the seat. Full windshield on this boat. Once again, tow rails, bolster style seating. Boat is in our showroom, easy to see. Call us with any questions, email us, or come and see us. Thank you.